The enhanced node of IPAdapter's ClipVision allows breaking through the 24-pixel limitation of ClipVision, as shown in this chart, by splitting and then merging the image. Although the author isn't completely sure this is entirely correct now, the initial results are quite promising. The enhanced version in the middle offers more details. In short, the effect is better. Let's focus on this node first. Below the node, there is a ratio adjustment. What does the ratio adjustment mean? First, notice that there are two lines here, one green and one red. Green means structure, and red means details. As this ratio increases, the strength of the structure will increase as this ratio decreases, and the strength of the details will also become greater. If I were 0, the result would most likely be something unformed. What is 0.5? I think 0.5 means equality between both sides, so this threshold serves as a balance between structure and details. Then I think if its structure is wrong, you can increase it a bit. If there's too much detail, you can lower it a bit. The entire process was based on the creator's latent vision. He mentioned besides this simple tattoo image plus an IP adapter in the live stream, there was also a simple mathematical calculation. In this mathematical operation, we first obtain the width and height of the image, then take the smaller value between them. So the width and height are set to the same value, creating two links. After image cropping, it becomes a square. After the blocks come out, we need to enter the IP adapter. The enhanced version of the ClipVision in the IP adapter corresponds to an enhanced tie model. Then, according to the author's interpretation, this place called tie is divided into small squares of 24 by 24 units. I need to divide this area into small squares of 24 by 24. It needs to be divided into 4 parts. So in this enhanced area, we're cropping 4 sections. So what's special about its width and height? Adjust the width and height to a scaling ratio so that it fits exactly within the crop area. This means arranging 4 224 graphs, resulting in a final size of 224 multiplied by 4, which becomes the target width and height for the image. In my opinion, the author performed such a simple mathematical calculation merely to impose an almost perfect constraint and adjustment on its aspect ratio. Of course, if you have a better way, feel free to try it. Regarding the IP adapter, the older version requires separately loading the ClipVision and IP adapter models. Now that we're using the IP adapter loader, there's no need to incorporate the ClipVision model anymore. Navigate to AI at RunningHub or click the link in the introduction to register and get 1200 HB, log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.